27 years old, grinding to be retired before 30. I already hit a crazy milestone. I'm one of the youngest people in the whole entire industry with the biggest organization. In their 20s, nobody has a bigger organization than me. Look at me, had 2 felonies, grew up in a single mama home, but I found a way to not just be a statistic, you feel me? Came from nothing, guys, but I had that vision that I was gonna get to that next level. Like I told you, I tatted this Lamborghini on when I was 16. I didn't know how I was gonna get it. I didn't know how I was gonna do it. As long as you bust your ass, stay consistent, stay in your grind, don't worry about what the haters say. Yo, what's good, everybody? It's your boy Rich off the name. I'm glad you actually landed on this video. You just watched a little dialogue of my life, of my journey in online business, guys. And I actually put together a small page because most of you guys, you message me, comment on my posts. You always emailing me, text message me, asking how to partner with me, how to do business with me, how to work with me, or how to just be like me, right? You might look at me as an influencer in your life, someone you want to be like, someone who teaches you how to get more out of life, how to run a business online. So what I did, actually put together this page you're on right now. I probably sent you the link in your inbox, your DM, or whatever. You probably fell on this website, whatever it may be. So what I need you to do is, there's gonna be 3 buttons under this video. The first one's gonna be subscribe to my YouTube. If you're not already subscribed to my YouTube, just go on like that button real quick, go and slap it. It takes 2 seconds to subscribe to my YouTube. That way you can be on demand for when I do giveaways, events, and just giving away a lot of value for you guys as far as growing your business online, guys. And the next button will be actually how you can learn to do what I do. That whole page will explain exactly what I do, how I make over 7 figures online. I have no job, haven't had a job in the last 5 years, how I went from the trap house to the biggest penthouses in the world, just living the lifestyle I want to. I'm gonna be showing you guys exactly how me and some of my business partners have been able to take a small system and implement it into our lives and change thousands of lives around the world. So after you're done watching this video, guys, all you gotta do is go scroll down, click on one of those 2 buttons, get the information, and then from there, you can message me back. I'll get back in contact with you. We get to work. So let's get it, guys. Hope to see you guys at the top, not from the top. Let's get it. Let's go. We out.